Hi. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a follow button on a Facebook page. First of all, we want to open Facebook. So, click on Facebook. After clicking, Facebook will start opening in front of you. Once Facebook is open in front of you, you can see this is my Facebook profile. First, we will open a Facebook page. For this, if you go to the bottom of your business screen, you will see the menu button. Click on it. After clicking, the Manage section will open in front of you. If you go to the upper side of the screen, you will see a photo and my name is also written here. And if you click the arrow, which is located opposite my name, click on it. After clicking, a small format will appear below your screen. First, we will go to the page, so click on Page. After clicking, your page will start opening in front of you. Once it's open, here we will click on our profile picture, which is at the top of your screen, so click on it. After clicking, your profile section will open in front of you. In this section, you will see 3 dots at the center of your mobile screen, so click on it. After clicking, that kind of format will open in front of you. You can see there are a lot of options available here, but we will click on the second option, Edit Action button, so click on it. After clicking, the Edit Action button will open in front of you. Here, click on Edit button. After clicking, a format may open in front of you where you can see there is no follow button option here, meaning we can't use that option. But we have another option to add a follow button to your Facebook page. First, take your mobile like this. After taking your mobile, just shake your mobile twice. Again, shake your mobile. After shaking, that kind of format will appear from the bottom of your screen. In this format, click on Report a Problem. After clicking, that kind of format will open in front of you. Here, click on Include a Report. After clicking Include a Report, we will just write here at the prompt, please add a follow button to my Facebook page. After writing, please add a follow button to my Facebook page, just check if your report question is correct or not. If it is correct, click on Done. After clicking Done, your keyboard will close. Go to the top corner of your mobile screen, click on Send. Your report will be submitted to Facebook company, and your report will be considered. Thank you for watching this video.